rise of COVID-19 and its variants, along with cold and flu seasons, and the population increase in Sioux Falls. On average, the need for blood has increased from 450 units a week to around 600 units, but the blood bank's only bringing in around half that.
But in an email, Stephen Bigliotti said, quote, "Students are picked up and dropped off so they do not have to cross the road."
Trail system begins at Falls Park and heads south. Around mile 4, it runs alongside I-229. After going through Yankton Park, it curves north, passing by the country club all the way to the Sanford Sports Complex. At mile 15, the loop turns back south. It goes by the state penitentiary before returning to its starting point.
For this tournament, the schedule will look a little different. In past years, the tournament started on a Friday and the champions were crowned the following Tuesday. But this year, the first matchups are on Wednesday, with it culminating in championship games on Sunday.
From 2000 to 2022, there were 63 human trafficking cases prosecuted in South Dakota. 1% of those were labor trafficking, 8% were adult sex trafficking, and 90% were underage sex trafficking. Most cases were investigated in Sioux Falls, Rapid City, and Sturgis.
The T South Dakota native is biking the Trans-America Trail, which begins in Yorktown, Virginia. He set off in early May, crossing through parts of the Appalachian Trail and riding across the state of Kentucky in just a week. His journey continues through Missouri and Colorado, then north through towns like Jackson, Wyoming and Missoula, Montana, before finishing on the west coast in Astoria, Oregon.